It's another edition of the Trading Tips video newsletter, teaching you how to become a successful trader in less than 5 minutes per week. The video newsletter is brought to you by TradingTips.com.
Welcome to this TradingTips.com video newsletter on using Williams Percentage R, a great momentum indicator. Let's get started. Depicted here is the formula for Williams Percentage R. It's pretty complex, right? Well, the good news is that you'll never have to figure out a stock's Williams Percentage R by hand. Many stock websites, including Yahoo Finance, do all the work for you. So what is Williams Percentage R? Well, it's a technical analysis oscillator that works somewhat like stochastics. Williams Percentage R compares the most recent closing price of a stock to its high and low over the past variable number of days. The oscillator is on a negative scale from 0 to negative 100%. A value of 0 means the most recent closing price is equal to the high over the past X number of days, and a value of negative 100% means the price is equal to the low over that period. Williams Percentage R can be used two ways. It can determine if a stock is overbought or oversold, and it can be used as a momentum indicator. Let's take a look at the person responsible for Williams Percentage R. The man pictured here is Larry Williams. In 1987, he won the World Cup Championship of Futures Trading, turning $10,000 into over $1.1 million, an 11,376% gain in 12 months. This competition, it should be noted, used real money. 10 years later, Larry's daughter Michelle Williams, whom you might recognize from Dawson's Creek and Brokeback Mountain, won the championship using the same Williams Percentage R that helped her father win a decade earlier. How about that? Generally, a value of negative 80% or lower means a stock is oversold, and a value of negative 20% or higher means it's overbought. But these are just general guidelines. Larry Williams had a more sophisticated system for using his oscillator. He would wait for a stock to reach negative 100% Williams Percentage R and then let 5 trading days pass. If Williams Percentage R then reached negative 95 or negative 85%, he'd buy. Conversely, to go short, he'd wait for the stock to reach 0% Williams Percentage R, then pause for 5 days and wait for it to reach negative 5 or negative 15%. Now you know how Williams Percentage R can tell you if a stock is overbought or oversold. But perhaps the more practical application for the stat is as a momentum indicator. Instead of selling when a stock reaches negative 20% Williams Percentage R, history shows that stocks often continue to do well for a while at these levels, hence the 5-day waiting period. Conversely, the same is true of stocks when they reach negative 80% Williams Percentage R. These are often good short-term short candidates. Here is a raw chart of a stock with 3 very definitive patterns. First there's a downtrend, then an uptrend, and finally a downtrend again. Williams Percentage R as a momentum indicator could have helped you spot these trends. Here I've separated the chart into 4 sections. The first section is pink and contains chart data before the important inflection point when the stock's Williams Percentage R fell below 80%. Although this is supposed to indicate that the stock is oversold, it's really a better momentum indicator that the stock is going to continue lower, as this one did all throughout the section of this chart labeled number 1. Then, when the Williams Percentage R pierced through negative 20%, it continued to go higher. Notice how the trend didn't really begin until after negative 20% was pierced. And in section 3, the downtrend resumes as Williams Percentage R falls back below negative 80%. There's one key issue we didn't talk about, selecting the time period for use with Williams Percentage R. 10, 14, and 28 days are the common time periods. Williams Percentage R can be used as a momentum indicator or to see if a stock is overbought or oversold. And it's always wise to use more than one indicator to confirm your trading theses. We hope you've enjoyed this video newsletter on Williams Percentage R. Thanks for watching and good trading.
This Trading Tips video newsletter has been brought to you by Manny Backus's First Hour Trading System. Every day there's money to be made in the first hour of stock trading. This is the world of day trading, not for novices, unless you have a system. The First Hour Trading System. Visit firsthourtrading.com now and sign up for a free 30-day trial. You could make enough in the first hour of your day to take the rest of the day off. Do you want to view more Trading Tips videos? Visit tradingtips.com. Sign up for our free video newsletters. Become a successful trader by visiting tradingtips.com.